Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at a real showstopper, the 2025 retro-style tricycle camper, a three-wheeled micro-camper that blends vintage charm with modern luxury, and it's finished in a gorgeous, glossy light pink. We're filming right here in a high-end showroom where every curve of this camper stands out under the soft lighting and polished floors. At first glance, the camper's rounded silhouette gives off a distinctly nostalgic vibe, reminiscent of mid-century travel trailers. But make no mistake, this is a modern machine. The all-light pink exterior gives it a soft, sophisticated look, while the bubble-style front windshield and classic round headlights add a cheerful, friendly face to the front. Now, step inside and you'll instantly feel the warmth. The interior is cleverly designed to make the most of the compact space. You're greeted by a cozy seating area that doubles as a small living room and dining zone. It's styled with soft, sofa-type cushions that wrap along the side wall, all in pastel tones that match the pink theme perfectly. In front of the seating, there's a minimalist table, ideal for meals, laptops, or just relaxing with a book. And the lighting? That's what really sets the mood. Subtle yellow ambient lighting is built into the overhead and under the cabinets, giving the space a calm, golden glow. Whether you're winding down after a day of travel or just escaping into your own cozy corner, the interior ambiance is warm and relaxing. Curtains cover the small windows, adding privacy and even more softness to the design. Even though it's compact, this camper doesn't feel cramped. Smart storage compartments are tucked into every corner, and the flow of the layout makes it feel much larger than it is. The 2025 retro-style light pink tricycle camper comes with a starting price of approximately $14,500 USD, depending on customization options and interior upgrades. This includes the standard glossy finish, sofa-style seating with table, warm yellow interior lighting, and the extendable side awning. The 2025 retro-style tricycle camper isn't just for travel. It's a lifestyle statement. Whether you're cruising coastal roads or displaying it at a classic vehicle event, this camper turns heads. It's charming, stylish, and incredibly well thought out. If you're looking for a micro camper that's both practical and packed with personality, this one's definitely worth a second look. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments what color combo you'd pick for your dream trike camper.